Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on resistance dog. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. Before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWA, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, resistance dog is currently ranked 3043. The price is at 32 cents, and the market cap is sitting right above 32 million. The market cap is pretty low at the moment, surprisingly. So there is huge potential during this upcoming bull run. This is their website. You can find it at www.ton.com. You can go through this on your own time, guys. There is a lot of info here about their vision, where you can buy it, tokenomics, and this kind of stuff. I'm not going to waste time here. This is their X account. You can find it at Rido Token. Welcome to the digital resistance. They have been pretty active, posting almost every single day, memes, videos, things like that. And as you see here, they have over 41,000 followers. So there are many people supporting this project, but there are even more people that are sleeping on these guys. According to Crash, who posted this X post a few months ago, look at this. Rido has a great chance to be the #1 meme coin on Telegram's blockchain. It's actually considered to be the #1 meme coin on Telegram's blockchain right now. If it stays like that, it has huge potential, guys. And this is why, as you see here, the top memes on each chain. We have Ethereum, where SEEB hit 40 billion and Pepe hit 1.6 billion. On Solana, Bonk hit over 2 billion and Myro over 250 million. On Avax, we have Cog, which hit over 250 million. On Base, along with Bread, that has surpassed a $2 billion market cap, Toshi has hit over 80 million. And currently, these numbers must be higher because this is not a recent post. But the point is that each and every blockchain, Ethereum, Solana, Avax, Base, has at least one or two meme coins that are the #1 or #2 meme coins on the specific blockchains. And they have achieved crazy amounts when it comes to market caps. Look what it says here. The upside potential is massive. If Resistance Dog is able to solidify itself as the #1 meme coin on Telegram's blockchain, of course, this is not guaranteed, but if it does, Crash expects Rido to hit a market cap of over 500 million. I think that this is one of the tokens that are going to pump late during this bull run. After investors and traders are done with large caps like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, Bread, they are going to move their funds into mid caps and low caps that are higher risk, higher reward plays. And Resistance Dog is one of them. I really think that Resistance Dog can hit a market cap of over 1 billion during this upcoming bull run. Look at this post. In 2010, we had Bitcoin. People were sleeping on it. 2013, we had Dogecoin. Again, people were sleeping on it. 2021, we had Shiba Inu. People were sleeping on it. 2024, we have Resistance Dog. Most people are still sleeping on it, guys. Surprisingly. That's why that's a huge opportunity for us. Resistance Dog is currently at range lows, and it's considered to be the #1 meme coin on Telegram's blockchain. Also, Telegram has been supporting Resistance Dog. Look at this. This is Ton Coin on CoinMarketCap. They have changed their logo, guys, and they have included the logo of Resistance Dog. If you visit Ton's X account, which is this one right here, you can find it at ton_blockchain. Look at this picture. This is Ton's logo, and on the upper right side, we see Resistance Dog. This is very bullish, guys, because Ton Coin has been performing really well. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Ton Coin is currently ranked number 14th. It has a market cap of 16.3 billion. And we expect Ton Coin to pull at least a 10x to 20x move during this upcoming bull run. So it's very logical to think that there is going to be some time in 2025 when Ton Coin is going to be pumping like crazy. It's going to draw a lot of attention out of traders and investors. And it's going to capture a huge amount of the total liquidity that is going to flow into the crypto space in the upcoming months. Therefore, after investors and traders are done with Toncoin, they are going to move their funds into mid caps and low caps that are built on Telegram's blockchain because it's going to be easier for them. And since Resistance Dog is one of Telegram's mascots, the number one meme coin on Telegram's blockchain, we expect a lot of liquidity to start flowing into Resistance Dog after Toncoin pumps like crazy. Again, Resistance Dog has a very low market cap right now, so it doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to make huge moves, guys. In my opinion, we can easily see a 50x move during this upcoming bull run. This is a low cap gem with a tremendous potential. Look at this. Crash again says, don't buy hype, buy pre-hype. Pre-do on Ton, only below 40 million market cap. It's the number one meme on Ton. Top meme coin on Solana has a 20 billion plus market cap. On Base, soon, Bread is going to have a market cap of over 40 billion. On Ethereum, the same thing happened. With Shiba Inu, for example, it had a market cap of over 40 billion during the previous bull run. And it's going to surpass that during this upcoming bull run. So look what Crash says here, guys. People will bid the number one meme on Ton because they will look so cheap and like a lot of X's compared to other top chains, top memes, which is make lots of sense to me. It's not hard to see what people are going to do before they do it. What's hard, this is very important, guys, pay attention. What is hard to do for most people is to buy when nobody wants to buy. This is what Warren Buffett says, guys. Be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. So if you want to make it big in this market, you have to buy when nobody wants to buy and sell when everybody wants to buy. Most people buy tops. We buy bottoms here. And this is the bullish scenario with Resistance Dog. This is the chart, guys. Look at this. We are looking at Resistance Dog over USDT daily chart on MEXC. As you see here, we have this huge bull flag going on. We have this descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. As you see, we had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. And also we have this descending upper yellow trend line that has been acting as a resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection. As long as the price action is moving inside this pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside this pattern until it breaks out. So we might see another rejection here or another bounce. That's totally fine. Also, another idea that I want to show you is this one here. We might be looking at a huge bullish triangle pattern. Look at this. We started here. We had another bounce here. So we might see a bounce here in the coming days or weeks. Again, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. So we have to assume that we are going to see something like this until we break out. If the price action breaks below this, we can start looking at this falling wedge again for another bounce on this key trend line of support. The safest way to trade this is to buy the breakout above this pattern, above this descending yellow trend line. Buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside. Either this is a bull flag pattern or a huge triangle pattern. This upper descending yellow trend line stays the same. So the idea of this breakout remains the same. As you see here, the price action pumped back in August of 2024, reaching this all-time high at 87 cents. People took profits, price action pulled back, and notice that we have been moving inside this accumulation zone, consolidating the past couple of months. So what I am doing, guys, is I am accumulating this token heavily. This is a high risk, high reward play. So you need to be careful. Don't put 100% of your portfolio into this. But the huge potential that Resistance Dog has during this upcoming bull run is tremendous. That's why, in my view, this is a very nice token to have in our portfolio. I have a few support and resistance Fibonacci levels here on the chart. The first support that we see here is located at 26 cents, 0.2681. As you see, we have been bouncing on the support. We had a bounce here, this bounce. We broke below this, but it's okay. 2 more bounces around this area. Recently, when the crypto market crashed, we had another bounce here. So this is a very key horizontal level of support. If the price action pulls back again, watch for a bounce here. This is going to be a very nice buying opportunity in my eyes. If the price action breaks below this level, the next level that I am looking to accumulate is this ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. If we break below that, I expect to see more downside. But it's okay, guys, because in the long term, I am really bullish on resistance stock. Sooner or later, I expect it to start moving to the upside, pulling explosive moves. The first resistance level that I have here on the chart is located at 38 cents, 0.3868. A breakout above this is going to be really bullish. I would buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside. And as you see, we have some kind of confluence here because the breakout above this horizontal level might also be the breakout above this pattern. By the way, this bull flag has a 70% chance, approximately, to break to the upside. The next Fibonacci level of resistance that I have here on the chart is located at 0.4793. The measured move from the current price levels to this Fibonacci level is approximately a 50% move, 48% move. Rito can pull a move like that easily, guys. It has a very low market cap. Next target is located at 71 cents. The measured move from the current price levels is approximately 117%. So we can double our money if we start accumulating at these range lows. If I zoom out, I have another target here for you. It's at 87 cents, 0.8797. The measured move from the current price levels is 171%. If we see a pullback to this key level of support that's located at 26 cents, the measured move to the last Fibonacci level at 87 cents is over 200%. It's 230% approximately. And this is why we love pullbacks in this channel, guys. Honestly, I would be really happy if the price action experienced an even deeper pullback all the way down here to this key trend line of support. Because look at this. If we manage to accumulate some Rito right here, the measured move back to this all-time high, that's going to be a 32x move, guys, which is crazy. I don't think that we are going to be that lucky to see resistance stock pulling back all the way down here. But if this happens, this is going to be an amazing buying opportunity in my eyes. I'm going to accumulate a lot of resistance stock all the way down here. Before we move on to my price predictions, I want to show you this. Currently, we are looking at the 1-day chart, the daily chart on MEXC. If you zoom out to the monthly chart, let's say, look at this, guys. This is nothing. This token was created recently and it has done nothing. This is another reason why I am so bullish on resistance stock. Look at this chart, guys. This chart is going to look like nothing during this upcoming bull run. We are going to see explosive moves out of resistance stock that are going to make this chart look like nothing. You won't be able to see it. All the way up here, I have my first price prediction for 2025. This is at $5. If resistance stock hits the $5 price target, it's going to have only a market cap of 500 million. And this is basically a 15x move from the current price levels. In my view, this is totally achievable, guys. I think that we can hit this target easily. Again, look at this. The top meme coin on Solana, 20 billion. The top meme coin on Base, 40 billion. Top meme coin on Ethereum, 40 billion. And during this upcoming bull run, guys, this meme coin super cycle, these meme coins are going to go crazy. A 40 billion market cap was a lot during the previous bull run. But during this upcoming bull run, we are going to see tokens reaching 80 billion, 100 billion. We might see numbers even bigger than this. Resistance stock is the #1 meme coin on Telegram's blockchain. And if it pulls a 15x move from the current price levels, it's only going to have a market cap of 500 million. I really think that resistance stock can outperform that as the #1 meme coin on Telegram. Think about it. Toncoin, as I showed you earlier, is basically the 14th largest crypto by market cap on CoinMarketCap. And we expect Toncoin to pull at least a 20x move. Worst comes to worst, Toncoin will hit at least a 10x to 15x move from the current price levels. So in my view, resistance stock can pull a move that is a multiple of what Toncoin is going to do. And that's because resistance stock has such a low market cap, guys. A 15x move is nothing for tokens like resistance stock. So I have another price prediction here for you, which is even more bullish. This is just a 31x move. If resistance stock pulls a 31x move from the current price levels, it's going to have a market cap of 1 billion and a price of $10. Honestly, if you ask me, I am really bullish on this token. So I think that resistance stock is going to surpass that. I think that we are going to see a 50x move or something crazy like that, surpassing a $2 billion market cap easily. Some people argue that resistance dog is going to reach $50 during this upcoming bull run. What do you guys think? What is your price prediction for resistance dog for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know what you guys think. I'm telling you, this might be a very high risk, high reward play, but we shouldn't sleep on this, guys. Look at this chart. Look at this monthly chart. It hasn't played out yet. We are still at range lows. This looks like one of the greatest opportunities, guys. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.